over Cascade today. He's giving me some time to work it. So the gel coat's nice and cool. Oops. Take a look at the other side. The person that buys this is getting a really nice boat. This is your secret Aqua Buff 2000. And when I finish up, Collinite number 885 Fleet Wax. This stuff is incredible. So when this stuff is nice and hot, we just lost our sun here in Florida with our sunshine. I never want to say that we lost our sun. It's not what I meant. But here in Florida, this stuff goes on. He says you don't want to work too much of it at once. Man, this stuff really shines it up, brings it back to life. All the things like this, rub it in, kind of just get everything nice and doused down. All your stickers, haven't buffed that yet though. And you want to work an area, you don't want to get over too much stuff of this stuff on there, especially if it's cold. This stuff works really great when it's hot out. A lot of you know my neck issues. Also want to shout out to the people in Mexico. Hola, ¿cómo estás? From Florida. And the people in Russia that are watching. I don't know how to say hello in Russian, but I'm going to learn. So what's up, guys? So some of the guys in the overlanding groups, some of the guys in the camper group. So the reason why I'm never going to make money on this is because I've not picked one topic. YouTube's algorithm is if you're DIY, so you'll see me working a lot with my hands, doing the boats and doing different things. It's because we got a lot of stuff in the fire. Well, YouTube's algorithm doesn't pay people like me yet because I don't have enough followers to start to monetize. So my kids were right. They're like, Dad, you're all over the place. You got to pick like one subject. So listen to your kids. Anyways, yeah, it's getting stormy, but I just want to run through this boat real quick. Thanks. Look at the difference on that one. Look at the difference on that one. She's just a beautiful, beautiful boat. All of the Velcro is in good shape. Just cleaned all the Velcro. Let me go to the other side. Whew. So all the Velcros, which is really rare in these boats, is all there. That black stuff, you gotta understand, 22 years, it just doesn't come out. You can soak it with chlorine, you can soak it with all the different chemicals, unless somebody knows something I don't, knows something different. But man, she is just an absolute beautiful, beautiful, beautiful boat. And again, all the Velcro up there, all the Velcro up there, the box. So give you an idea what that hull looks like. I want you to see my reflection. So when you can see the truck like that, and you can see, I think that's my palm tree right back there. You can see the palm tree, the neighbors, you can see the street, and we got to get this thing covered. So it just got rain. Later.